Hey, Cool Crafters, I'm Tiffany Windsor. As promised, I am here today to introduce you to one of the featured teachers at the upcoming Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon. Amanda Stevens is one of the founders of Pear Press, a company focused on offering unique and innovative products for paper crafters. Amanda, welcome to Cool to Craft. I am so delighted to have you here today.
Thank you, Tiffany. It's an honor to be invited. I appreciate it.
Well, we both have a common interest, and that's the Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon. So I have several questions for you today that I want to cover because I know that Pear Blossom Press is your business, so I want to talk about that. I want to talk about your history in crafts. And also, of course, the main feature is what are you teaching at the Craft-a-Thon?
This is the card we're going to make during the Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon. With me, you'll make a light up shaker card. It's got a fun little snow globe in there, and that features one of our halo lights, which I can show you more later.
All right, there's your little sneak peek.
Yeah.
So let's talk about your business and how you got started in the craft business.
Okay. I've been a crafter for as long as I can remember. I've always loved card making the most. So I do all sorts of different things, but because I've worked with so many different mediums, a lot of times I'll be working on a paper craft project and I'll think, oh, the tool from over there, this clay tool will work great for some of the paper crafting techniques that I need, that sort of thing. And so my first product was actually along those lines, take something from another field and integrate it into the crafting world and modify it to make it, just fit better. How many times have we all been crafting and thought this would be perfect if only? So
Exactly.
I try to do the if only part. I work with my husband. He's a fabulous engineer. He does hardware and software, so he designs all of our lights. That's actually been one of our key products. So we introduced, I think, our first product in 2019, and we just keep going and growing.
So where can our Cool to Craft viewers find your products?
On our website, pearblossom.press.com, and then in many local retail shops, and then a lot of other stamp companies carry our lights as well. I tell everybody we make the guts, they make the glory. So we have a lot of stamp company partners that carry our lights as well.
And as anyone who enjoys creativity, expressing themselves, knows there's nothing better than handcrafting. And in your project, the card and the light. So that's new to me. I'm not familiar with that. So let's go ahead and pop back into showing everyone the project that you are going to be teaching. And this is at the Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon. This is a 3-day virtual crafting event that starts on October 23rd. And Amanda's one of the teachers. So when you sign up for the event, this is the project that you will be able to create.
So this, actually, I'll show you. It features one of our halo lights. They're just flat little flashlights, and in the center are additional lights so they pop out. And this one you can actually see the guts. So this card, it has one of our halo lights taped down, and you can see that the lights just point in toward each other. And then in this case, I've made it a shaker. And when you press the button, it lights up. So it's the same thing. This one is also a shaker, but we're going to make the snow globe. I thought that was fun for the holidays. And I just love this little scene here. All of the dies and stamps used for this project are from Trinity Stamps. They're a company that we often partner with, and I believe they are participating in BellaCon as well. So that's kind of fun too. But we'll use that. We have lots of other lights, but this is the one we'll focus on for the event.
If someone wants to participate with you at the Craftathon, what will they need to purchase in advance?
They can get the kit from us. It's on the Pear Blossom Press website now, and it comes with everything you need except for scissors and some basic tools. And there is a list on the kit description that tells you what you need, but it's really basic stuff, some adhesive, some markers, and that's pretty much it. Everything else will be pre-stamped and cut for you. You'll get lights. In fact, you'll have 2 extra lights when the class is over to do 2 other projects with if you'd like. So that'll be lots of fun, goodies to play with. I always really enjoy doing the Bella events. We usually have a ton of fun. There's a lot of shenanigans. I know we'll be going live. I'll be teaching live, and then I know I'll be going live with some of the other participants here at my house. And that's always a lot of fun when the instructors get together in person, because
That's great.
we definitely poke fun at each other.
Well, it's a great energy when we can all get together. I love being able to see you virtually, but when we can all get together and create, the community is just amazing. If anyone who is watching right now has not heard about this event, you can go to coolthecraft.com and get all of the details. I have a full page on our classes page, and you will see the list of the teachers. I don't know all the kits that are available right now, but we just heard that Amanda has her kit. But there's 16 workshops and quick projects, and I'll give you all the details in the description for this video. And I think we've covered everything that, all the questions I had of you today. And thank you so much for joining me here at Cool to Craft.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, see you on the 23rd.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.